Well, it looks like we're having a beautiful sunset here in Sacramento, but we do have, unfortunately, a roof that is basically infested with bats. And I think what you can see up there in the sky, God, it's so hard to see, but there's an anticipation from a kite up there who's waiting for these bats to basically come out of the house and grab himself some tasty little morsels. There he is. If you can kind of see him over there, he knows they're coming. He's expecting him, so he's kind of like hovering and waiting for those bats to come. And I bet what will happen as soon as they come out, he will be getting himself a nice little dinner. So let's see if I can capture it on video here. Because he knows they're coming, so he knows they're here. Look at him just hovering, waiting and waiting, because these bats are going to be coming out basically right out of our roof. We usually get batches of about, I don't know, 25 to 100 bats, maybe about 4 or 5 times. And if I get really quiet here, let's see if you can actually hear them chirping right now. That's a cat making noise, not that one. Anyways, let's see if we can see. Because that kite knows it's getting dark. If you want to see the cat, that's the cat that's making all that noise. Shh. Quiet. Alright, let's see. See if I get lucky and capture it. And I don't know about the kite, but he's not here anymore. But I don't see him in the sky, but he should be there. What a gorgeous sunset too. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Get away, Poops. Poops is the name of the cat, just so you know. Come on, baddies. It is about 7:12 p.m. on Wednesday, March 20th, 2019. And let me see if I can see that kite. Where did that kite go? He knows wherever he is. He'll be coming out. He's just waiting to catch himself a nice little bat morsel. We will see. This is going to be intense. Oh, come on, kite. Look at that sunset. Oh my goodness. Here, let's take advantage of a beautiful sunset in the meantime. Look at the colors on that. Love it. Okay. I feel like we're getting close. Kitty, what are you doing? Stop rubbing on my pants. Alright, here we go. Getting ready. I still don't see the kite, but I'm sure maybe he saw me. Maybe he got scared because I was standing over here. I'm just kind of gonna go look and see if maybe he's at a different angle. But for sure.
Greetings.
Hello, Alan.
I guess you heard your son found a valve.
Yeah, we found the last lost valve. Isn't that great?
That's amazing.
That thing
And
shot
I
25 or
just drove
30
my
feet.
tires. It's working perfect.
Wonderful.
What are you waiting for, bats?
The bats are coming. And also,
Have you seen any fly out?
we haven't yet, but if you pay close attention, there's
Yeah.
a kite or some kind of bird that was flying, just hovering, waiting. It's waiting
To eat a bat?
to eat a bat. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Lisa said yesterday or the day before,
Yeah?
she was out here watching them come out,
Yeah?
and that kite or some other kite swooped
Caught one.
into the cloud and grabbed one, and the bats just started going ee, ee, ee. So I'm gonna see if I can catch one.
Oh, and that's what you would like to photograph.
Yeah, I'm actually taking a video, and it's also nice because look at the beautiful sunset.
Oh, I know. But we had a couple claps of thunder today,
Yeah.
around 2:30 or 3 o'clock. I'm gonna go thank Kyle for
All right.
finding that.
And I think he also texted Jeremy to tell him to cancel whatever order you placed.
Okay. Yeah, that was a $30 purchase.
All right, cool. Come on, bats. I'm 5 minutes and 11 seconds into this, and I'm getting cold. But the good news is that the noises are getting really, really loud now. So I think the first batch is about to come out. Let's take a look. Can you hear them? Okay, my guess is that they'll come out in the next 30 seconds, is my guess. Count it down. 29, 28, 27, 26. Okay, I'm actually cheating because I'm counting one count for every two seconds that are passing. So, all right, let's start again. 30 seconds for real this time. All right, ready? Count. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 2.5. I guess it'd be 1.5, 1.25, 1 1/8, 1 1/16, 1 1/32. Okay. Maybe 30 seconds didn't work. But I swear now it's coming. I can feel it. Either that or my battery is going to run out, or my memory storage for sure is going to run out. So I think I'm recording this in HD. So, oh my goodness, look at the beautiful sunset. Isn't that incredible? Can you hear the bats? Can you hear them? I promise they're coming. Come on, bats. Don't disappoint me. The sun is setting. The sun is setting. You can do it. Driving me crazy. Now, of course, the other thing about these bats, so I think they've been here for at least 3 seasons now, and we have decided that it is time to change the roof. So, the important thing about this is that that we will be replacing the roof. Basically removing the tile from the roof and probably doing more of a flatter roof. I guess they can call it composite. And basically these poor little bats are going to lose their home, but the good news is that they probably won't be pooping all inside of our roof underneath the tile. It'll be, oh, there's the kite again. Ooh, found him. He knows now. He knows it's there. There, I see it. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. He's back. Come on, where are you, kite? There's the kite. There's the kite waiting.
No, I understand. You were the one who found
it. No, look. It's up there.
You see the kite.
Look up. You'll see the kite. If I see it close, He knows. He knows it's getting close. There's a kite hovering. Not that one. You'll see them coming from this side. There they go. There they go. There they go. There they go. They're coming right out of the roof. They're coming. They're coming in batches. Come on, kite. Where are you? And unfortunately, I can't see the kite. So that was like the first batch of little bats. There it is. Is that it? Is he it? There he is.
Wow.
He wants it. He wants it so bad. Where is he? Oh my God, there's so many.
What are we looking at?
There's a kite waiting to a bird, like a predatory bird.
Oh, that eats back. Yeah,
that
they'll
eats
eat any mammal, anything.
like a
Other
mouse.
birds.
Like a mouse. Let me see if I can back up a little bit. See if I can
Look at
find
him
him.
dive.
Where'd you see him?
He's
Where?
over there.
Did he get one yet?
I think that was him there. The last one.
Oh, come on. There he is.
He flies separate. There he is. There he is. That's him there. That's a very kite-like thing that he does.
Okay, there he goes. Come on, come on, come on.
Look. Right beside him. Oh, look how fast he goes.
Whoa, I wish I could have caught him. Did he do it? I don't know. Come on, guys. Where'd you go? Wow, he accelerated so quickly there was no way for me to catch him, but he was jamming. Did you see that? All right. Well, that was 2 batches of bats. And there's the 3rd batch of bats. Oh my god.
There's a swarm of insects right there that you can eat too.
When Lisa saw it yesterday, did he catch it mid-flight?
Yes. She said that when that kite came down, there's more, look at them, they're still coming out. It just was kind of during one of the big batches, and he just went to the middle of it and
Grabbed.
just grabbed. Yeah, I don't see him anymore, so he must have caught whatever he was chasing, because he was coming hard.
Yeah, the last time I saw he was going like a bat out of hell that way.
Absolutely. Anyways, all right, that was fun. This is probably one of the last seasons we'll see the bats. So there it is. A nice video with explanation as we zoom in a little bit to see the last bit of bat coming out. Come on, don't disappoint me. This is a video, bats. No? All right. All right, very good. Till next time.